Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli, and I just wanted to begin by sharing with you some more results of what just recently came in over the weekend with this simple system called copy and paste ads, because I'm always getting inquiries. People are always seeking me out, asking me how copy and paste ads is going. Is it still producing? Is it still working for me? And absolutely, positively it is. This program has been around for quite a while now, actually quite a few years. And this year it underwent a complete update, upgrade, lots of great enhancements and improvements to the system itself. So it just continues to evolve and it just gets bigger and better over time. And this is something that anybody can do. It really is very simple and it's very affordable. So if you are looking for a simple way that you can turn a quick profit and earn some extra income now at the end of the year, especially in preparation for the holidays, folks, congratulations, because you are in the right place at the right time. And I'm going to share with you exactly what you're going to be getting when you become a member of Copy and Paste Ads for only $129 one time. There are no upsells and there are no monthly fees. You begin by joining and you pay a one-time $29 payment to the admin. And then you come back and you pay your membership of only $100. And then you're able to resell it and go into the system, use the training, use the pre-written ads to copy and paste, and start making unlimited $100 commissions over and over again. Now, of course, you've got to put the time and the work into it, but it's very simple, folks. This works if you work it, okay? Of course, I can't make any income claims, guarantees, or promises. I just have to always get that type of disclaimer out there. But this has been tested, time-tested, proven to work, and it's super simple. If you just follow the system, don't try to reinvent the wheel, just follow the system. I'm going to be bringing you inside here shortly and showing you around the back office again. But first off, I just want to share real quick what came in over the weekend, folks, okay? And it was a busy weekend. I was out and about, wasn't tied to my home office or my computer, and the payments still keep coming in because this is resonating with so many people because it's affordable and it's simple, okay? So as you can see here, folks, the 3rd of November, $100 copy and paste ads, okay? So we're going to wrap right back here again, okay? And then November the 4th, which was Saturday, we had another $100 payment. Copy and paste ads, okay? The 4th of November, there's my name, copy and paste. So that was a quick $200 extra over the weekend, folks. And just, imagine what an extra $200 could do for you, whether that's a day, whether that's every other day, a week, especially this time of year, folks, when everybody is seeking out a simple way to increase cash flow, okay, for a multitude of reasons, especially in anticipation of the holidays for the majority of folks out there. So this is just more continued results that this does work, okay? And I can absolutely help you if you need it. We are going to be logging into copyandpasteads.com/login. Okay, so you'll log in with your email address that you use to register and your assigned password, okay? And then you just click the little login. It's very simple. And as you can see right here, folks, copy and paste ads as simple as it gets. This really, truly is simple, okay? And if you're a new member, this is where you're going to start, okay? This is going to give you a guided tour, give you an overview, and show you around how to position yourself and get set up properly. It's very, very simple, okay? And then you always want to be paying attention to, well, your primary page will show up here, but you always want to be paying attention to these announcements, okay? Because currently there are bonus credits that are being provided to new members when they join, okay? This is the new fall bonus, 5,000 bonus ad credits. And you create your account here to access them and all that good stuff, okay? And here is a previous overview video, like 24 minutes long. I would highly encourage you and recommend that you watch this because it's going to give you a complete overview of the new updated system that was fully updated and upgraded this past summer, okay, in July. So with that being said, folks, what you want to do is definitely watch this video, and then you want to get access to your bonus ad credits, okay? through the G1, G4 Auto Builder bonus advertising credits increased to 5,000 this month. November. So you'll definitely be able to get those, and I would definitely make really good utilization out of them for copy and paste ads. So that's a really nice bonus. And you just come down here. Here's 7 places where you can create free accounts and use the pre-written ads to get your advertising out there and your ads posted. There's also a rotator option for those that want to take advantage of that. There's also done for you traffic. There's banner ads. There's really a nice mixture, okay? Most of what's back here is free, okay? And then there's, of course, some low cost paid marketing. All right, for those of you who do have the resources and the ability to go ahead and invest in yourself and your business, I would definitely take advantage of those. They start at like $20, and then the next option is like $40. So within reason, folks, very affordable. But there's many different places that you can take this opportunity for free, and you can even use social media. For example, you could do videos like I do. You can upload them on YouTube. There's also TikTok. There's Pinterest, there's Instagram, and there's Facebook, just to name a handful of places that you can utilize social media, all for free. And then there's a multitude of free classified websites and some very, very low cost classified sites that you're going to gain access to. And you'll want to go through your member training and your member resources, okay, right here, and complete all of that, and then you will be able to hit the ground running and get your ads posted for profit. So you start here, okay, and this is the new members training. There happens to be a short video right here that you definitely want to watch, and this is going to help you to get your payment method set up. Since this is direct member to member, you can choose however you wish to get paid. Collect your payments coming directly to you, no middlemen involved. These are instant payments of $100 over and over again, and you can get paid daily. You have the potential to get paid daily, even multiple times a day, however you want. And yes, this is a worldwide opportunity. If you have a merchant account, I use authorize.net. There's also Stripe. And then, of course, there's Bitcoin and Square. Then we have Cash App, Venmo, and Zelle. And then there's manual methods. You can get paid, however you want. There's Wise, WISE.com. That's international. There's PayPal. I would just say use that at your own risk. And however else you want to get paid. I mean, there's Google Pay, there's Apple Pay, Apple Cash, and those type of methods. But you can get paid however you want. And if one of these here does not suit you for whatever reason, you just go into manual and you type out your instructions how you wish to get paid, okay? And then you're going to want to watch this, and then you're going to start right here. Step 1, set up your payment processor. Step 2, complete and update your profile. Here's all your sample ads. Within step 3, here's the top places to post your ads. So you go here, you register for free, and then you make really good utilization of the ads. Not to mention, folks, Craigslist. We got Craigslist.org. There's instructions, there's training on how to get your Craigslist ads posted successfully. So I would encourage you to definitely give consideration to using Craigslist.org, where you will find millions upon users, okay, who flock to Craigslist looking for simple solutions, just like copy and paste ads has to offer, okay? There's done for you traffic methods, how to post your ads, members area training, and last but not least, how to access your bonus ad credits that I just mentioned. Okay, I showed you where that's at. So you definitely want to take advantage of all this. Take your time, go through it, okay? And if you need to go back and revisit something, more than one time, no worries, okay? It's super simple, and everything will be here. Your pages ready to go, ready-made, done for you capture pages that work very, very well. You have a choice of this page for a redirect to a sales page. That's option number 1. And then we also have option number 2 right here, okay? And these are the different capture pages. All you have to do is point and click whichever one you want and make it your primary. And then come over here to either option 1 sales page and make this your redirect, or drop down here to option number 2 and make this your redirect, okay? And these are all mobile ready, mobile responsive capture pages, sales pages, so they can be accessed from a laptop, a desktop, a tablet, a smartphone, any time of the day or night. folks. You can be having people coming to your opportunity, to your website, entering their information, watching the short video, and making the decision to get started with you, and you collect $100 commission payments instantly to your favorite payment processor. So these are ready to go. They have a built-in autoresponder with follow-up emails going out for you on your behalf. And if you want to connect and integrate your own autoresponder, such as GetResponse or a Weber, you certainly can do that in the settings area. That is a choice, completely up to you. But you do not need your own autoresponder, but if you have one and you're into list building, you can integrate a third-party autoresponder. I wanted to get that out there. But super simple, folks. Point and click. Make this, for example, make this your primary. Make this your redirect, and you are ready to go. Take the long link and just do a simple redirect to a domain name, which is what I would recommend you do. For example, go to GoDaddy.com, get a cheap domain name for 1 year. It's going to cost you right around $12, $13, and then just redirect that long link, and you are ready to go live with your business, okay? So your team, you can view your commissions right here and all that good stuff. Here's your tools, okay, that you can track your statistics, your ad tracking, your autoresponder emails. That's where they're all uploaded, ready to go out. This is the G1, G4 Auto Builder, where you can get your bonus credits. And these are your sample ads, folks, okay? There's a wealth of ad copy here for you to use. Okay, no shortage whatsoever. These are ready to go, and you're just going to basically copy, paste, and post these for profit within the different websites and options available to you, okay? That are all provided within your members area in your training. But if you come down here, folks, there is just so many ads that you're going to be able to use, and as you can see, more are coming soon. So always check back for more. But folks, these will keep you busy for a long time, and you just, wash, rinse, and repeat. And the beauty of the system is you can actually use these websites and these ads, and you can modify them up a little bit for another opportunity. Okay, so how cool is that? All right. So this training and this information and content and ad copy, folks, can certainly be used to make your instant $100 commissions, but what's to say that you can't use it for something else with a few tweaks and a few minor adjustments, okay? So just wanted to share that with you. All right, the resources. We've got a Facebook group for paid members, and there's a lot of value inside of that group, folks, so you definitely want to join that when you become a paid member. Here's your resources and training, okay? There's a getting started guide, your follow-up emails and autoresponders, places to advertise for free, and here's your Craigslist training right here, folks, okay? Top 100 places to post. They give you top 100 places to post your ads. There's Facebook groups. If you like to make good utilization of the Facebook groups, you can use this simple free strategy, and there's mindset videos. Okay, so everything is here for you and ready to go, okay? Here's, your sample ads, okay? And here's your Craigslist posting tips and cities, all right? So you can go down here and go through all of this, all right, as part of your Craigslist training. Places to advertise. There's a video. See, this is the Craigslist ad posting tips in high traffic cities. So there's going to be instructions, a Craigslist instructional guide with step-by-step training, and also this video. You're going to definitely want to plug into this video, and then you're also going to want to make really good utilization with your step-by-step guide to posting an ad on Craigslist, and follow these steps identical as is, and do not try to reinvent the wheel, folks. Everything is here. It's all been tested. It's all been proven to work, and it will work for you as long as you stay consistent, okay? There's a wide variety of different places to advertise. And as you can see, it's all right here, okay? And we've got banner ads as well, okay, that you can make really good utilization of as well. Okay, for your copy and paste ads business. And then we have traffic. We have paid traffic. This is where $20 ads right here. This source here starts around $40. There's going to be Text Plus software that you can use coming soon. Okay. And then there's where you're going to claim your bonus credits. Okay, the 5,000 ad credits, free traffic. So you're definitely going to want to take advantage of that and seize this bonus, no doubt about it, and ways to receive. So that's your payment processors. All right, and here is the leaderboard, and well, there I am, folks, right on top. Okay, this is me right here, Marybeth A. So as you can see, folks, definitely somebody who can help you, qualified to help you, and will help you when you get started. So it's really simple, folks. You just have to follow the system, okay? When you get started, you come back here, you go into your new member training, you watch this video, and then you go through you take your time, and you go through these steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you get your page set up, go into resources, make really good utilization of all of this, locate the ads, the sample ads, and register for free on the different websites, and then start copying, pasting, and posting for profit. Okay, just follow the system as is, folks, and you will do very well too. Okay, I work at this a little bit every single day. I just show up, I'm consistent, I get my ads out there. You can send emails, you can promote this however you want. I do make good utilization out of YouTube as well. It's not required, but it's just one way to reach the masses for this wonderful opportunity. Copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. So what I want you to do next is, this is where you're going to head. Okay, easydaily100.com. That link will be below. That's my website, easydaily100.com. And when you get here, you are about to discover a simple way to start getting $100 payments over and over again. Just give me a good email address, click on Please Show Me More, and you'll be taken inside. And there's going to be a little button there that will take you ultimately to my sales page, where you'll see a video. It's about 4 minutes long, give or take a little bit. And then you'll be able to review the information. You'll see some wonderful testimonials. There'll be a Buy Now button. And when you're ready to get started, you click that. You make your one-time $29 admin payment. You'll be redirected to pay me. And I do accept all major credit cards and debit cards, as well as Cash App and Venmo. So if you have any questions, folks, text or call me. My cell phone will be provided in the description along with this website, easydaily100.com. easydaily100.com. Okay? So with that being said, folks, I'd love to thank you so much for stopping by again, allowing me to continue to share more information with you on copy and paste ads, because you're obviously here looking for a simple solution, a simple way that you can pocket $100 or more per day following a simple blueprint. Everything you need is contained within the system at one affordable price point with no upsells and no monthly fees. Instant pay. People love it, okay? Because there's no waiting around to get paid. And you can start getting paid as soon as you get started, as soon as this week. It's going to depend on you, though. Of course, the action that you take the results should pretty much follow that, because this is a very simple system that anybody can do. Okay, it's super newbie friendly. Everything is provided. As long as you go out there and apply and implement what is contained within, there's no reason that you too can't have success and get results and start earning some nice extra income, especially for the holidays. Sound good? Okay, so you know what to do, folks. Head on over to easydaily100.com. Let's get you started today. I'll connect with you. If you need any assistance, text or call me, and I'll provide you with exactly what I utilize to continue to get these great results that I continue to show you, folks. And you too can follow my lead and duplicate the system. It's very simple. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon on the inside. Bye-bye.